Mimi. Whisk it, Coco. Bake with us, let's go.
Baking buddies.
Today we're making chocolate cupcakes, step by step, and we'll show what can go wrong, so it won't.
Let's bake like pros. Your slices, you'll need a digital scale and 2 mixing bowls.
Cupcakes like accuracy.
And small bowls keep it neat. Mise en place. Measure everything before mixing.
This prevents
Cupcake chaos.
Counter, calm mind.
Sieve helps prevent cocoa lumps. No lumps, no sad bites. Whisk and spatula. Gentle mixing only.
Tray and clean liners are a must.
Cooling rack for later.
And a toothpick to check doneness. Cocoa powder. 100 grams sugar. 30 grams cocoa. I could be late.
1 teaspoon baking powder. Pinch of salt.
Perfect.
Still heat the milk with gas on the sill.
chocolate and milk. And 1 teaspoon
Vanilla.
Whisk the egg, milk, oil, and vanilla until smooth.
Smooth, not foamy.
Foamy can change texture.
Sift cocoa and flour to avoid lumps.
Lumps hide like ninjas.
Then whisk the dry mix until even.
Wet into dry, and mix gently.
Gentle. Cupcakes hate overmix.
Stop when you don't see dry flour. In the chocolate chips gently. If chips sink, toss them in a tiny bit of flour first. Then fold again, lightly.
Not watery, not cement.
If it's super thick, add a tiny splash of milk.
Fill a piping bag for clean portions.
Piping bag method, no drips.
Fill each liner about 2/3. Cook at 180 Celsius for 15 to 18 minutes.
Center rack. Door stays closed.
Opening early can make them sink.
Toothpick test. A few crumbs are okay.
Wet batter means
Not yet. Cool cupcakes completely on a rack.
warm cupcakes melt frosting.
We want pretty swirls, not puddles.
More flavors.
Thanks for baking with us today.
And thank you for letting me do.
Quality control.
Subscribe to Mimi and Coco Bake for more recipes.
Next time,
Strawberry or next video.
don't forget to subscribe.